Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. Each and every year, the Mint comes out with a new Mint set for the following year, and recently they've just released the 2020 set. And each year they try to pick a topic that is sort of a universal topic or something that's local, something that's probably like an anniversary or something like that. This year, not so much, but the interesting fact for 2020 is the new effigy. So that's what they're focused on for the 2020 release in the uncirculated year set. So I thought we'd just have a quick little look at it and just talk a little bit about it. And as we all know, 2019, or if you don't know, 2019 is a changeover year. So we've gone from the older effigy, which we've had since, when was it? I think somewhere around 99 or somewhere in there. I can't remember now. I should have looked it up, but I didn't. And anyway, till 2019. Now, I cannot think of a time where we've gone and changed an effigy partway through the year where we've got two coins essentially that have the different effigies on them in the same year. Certainly back in, when was it, 85, they just went with the one effigy. And what was the other one? Possibly around 98 or something like that, when they went to the next effigy. I think it was 98, might have even been earlier. But this year we've certainly got a new effigy, and this is the mint set for that year. So let's have a little look at it. So this is the packaging. It's been the same for a little while, where we just got a little slip case inside here with the coins. Fairly plain and simple this year, but still fairly attractive, and obviously depending on the way you hold it, you can see that it's reflective and then nice and boldly coloured on the back. And here we can read about the designer, the engraver, Jody Clark. I did make a bit of a mistake. I assumed that Jody Clark was a female. In fact, Jody Clark is a male, as someone rightly pointed out to me in the comments of one of my recent videos. So thank you for that. And I did go and look up who Jody Clark was, and sure enough, a designer from the UK, as it says there. So let's have a look at the actual set. Usually with mint sets, there's probably a different coin in each of the sets that's only found in the sets. That is not the case with the 2020 set. So all the regular designs as we know them, so nothing special there. And we've just got the information about the composition of each of the coins and who designed these particular designs, the engravers. And then we have some information, I think, up here. Okay, so yeah, so what have we got here? So yeah, it's exactly the same information, I think, is what's on the back there. So this is the brand new effigy, which we will see on all coins which have started here in 2019 and will continue on till such a time as either we have a change and possibly Prince Charles becomes king. Then we'll have Prince Charles on the back of each of our coins. Who knows, this may or may not be the last effigy. Certainly the Queen is getting older. But yeah, I mean, we can have a little closer look up at them, but there's not a lot to really talk about. They're all going to be the same coins that we can find in circulation. But it's certainly well worth having a set, just in case any of these become extremely low mintage. It's good to have one that is basically in mint state condition, and these coins will certainly be of higher grade than what you'll ever be able to pull out of circulation. Alright, so yeah, not a lot to say about this particular set, and nothing sort of special about any of the coins, and we obviously won't know the mintage of these coins until late in October 2020. So just on another note, and getting back to these rolls of the Great Aussie Coin Roll Hunt. Now I did go and open these up, and I damaged these by ripping off the tape that is on the side of them. I did go and get myself another couple of these rolls in the hope of trying to find the Privy coin. I did open these guys up, and unfortunately I didn't get another Privy coin. I didn't get one at all out of any of these rolls. But what I did was I actually opened them up with a sharp knife, and I just ran it along this edge here, and it made a heck of a difference. And you can see there, the whole thing just looks a lot nice, a lot neater. So if you want to open up your rolls and have a look to see if you've got the special Privy mark, that's probably the way to do it. It just looks a lot neater, and I'm more happy to keep these ones. So look, I'm going to be giving these ones away, to be honest, and I'll give them away through the channel. So we'll certainly be doing more giveaways. I'm sure if you get these guys for free, you won't be complaining about the fact that it's ripped there, and I'll keep those nicer ones for myself. So yeah, I'll certainly be giving away these sets. But I did manage to get myself one of these, which is the one with the Privy on it. So if you're unfamiliar with these guys, these were recently on sale through Australia Post, and these guys were also available through Australia Post, but I managed to pick up these ones directly from the mint when I got my effigy, the new set there. So I did pick up a couple more of those in the hope of finding one of these coins in there, which is the one with the little envelope on the actual coin. But unfortunately I was not lucky enough to get one, but I did manage to pick up one of these, and these are a limited number, and I got number 213 out of 2000. So that's this little update. I didn't pick up too much this time from the mint, but I think I'm going to do another order because there's a few more things that I want to grab, and when I do, I'll probably make a video about those items as well. Alright guys, but yeah, make sure you get one of these sets. If you're into coin collecting and want to try and keep a year set, it's good to collect each of the year sets, as I do. I think they've put them up in price this year. They normally sort of been around the $25 per set. I think they were $27.50, so they've jumped up a little bit more, which is a bit disappointing, because I'm sure that they haven't really cost any more to start making the coins. But anyway, they've made another $2.50 out of us this year, the mint. But yeah, get yourself one of these sets. Alright guys, that is it for today. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do so. Hit the bell and you'll be notified each and every time a video goes up. I've got a few more videos coming out very soon, so make sure you check those out, and there's plenty of videos to go back through. And the good thing is about the videos, the information is always it's always current in some ways. There are updates on pricing and stuff like that, but still the same coins are wanting to be found. So go through and have a look and see what you have missed, and I hope you enjoy them. Alright guys, that is it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll have another video soon.